Am I audible? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to next exam. Yeah, so whatever the exams I'm explaining you, as of now, I haven't written in the notepad. Okay. So I will write, we will get almost 13 examples. Okay. So I will write all the examples at the end of the import set table for your understanding purpose. Okay. Now I'm not writing any example in the notepad. End of the import sets concept, I will give you all the examples. Okay. Now you can come. Yes, I'm just removing the employee numbers now. Okay. Now what happened is user table. I'm going to the user table. Okay. You can come and search for some username. Maybe I'm searching for username called Mamata. Mamatha. Is Mamata user record there in our system? Tell me. Is Mamata user record there? No, it is not there. You can see. So we are trying to search Mamata's user record. It is not there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In the user table, Mamata record is not there. In user table, the record, the name Mamata is not there. Clear? But client has given manager name is Mamata. Okay. For example, for Anji user and Venkat user, the client has given manager is Mamata. And again, so in the name field, I'm just kept Aziz in the name field. Do we have any record, any user record with the name Aziz? Is any user record with name Aziz?
No.
Tell me. No, it is not there. But the client has provided manager name is Aziz. Okay, for manager name is Aziz. This is the Excel sheet client has provided. You can keep in mind that so Mamata and Aziz user records are not there in our user table. Okay. Now these records are going to insert in the user table. That situation we are calling as a foreign record insert. Like how the records are inserted for the employee number. Same way, these two, Mamata and Aziz records are inserting into the user table. Okay. This situation we are calling as a foreign record insert, and we'll see this. So whether this Mamata and Aziz records will insert or not. Yes, I have saved Excel sheet. Yeah, you can keep open parent Naresh IT table. I'm just deleting the data for your understanding purpose. Okay. I'm just deleting the data. Delete. Yes, there is no data in the parent Naresh IT table. I'm going to Naresh IT data source. We have data modification. Okay. So I'm removing the old file and I'm attaching the new file. Okay. Yeah, I'm attaching new file. Perfect. So I'm just loading all the records. So do you remember that in the here we have to remove this? Okay. We don't require this reference value field name. We don't require this now. Okay. I'm just to remove that. This we have used for the previous example. Now this is not required. I'm just remove this and I'm saving. Okay. Now you can come in the transform map. Nothing we have to modify. I'm just transforming the data. Transform. And again transform. Yes. You can go to the transform history and see 4 records inserted or not inserted. You go to the parent Naresh IT table. You can come and refresh. What happened? 4 records created or not? This is our target table. Parent Naresh IT table is our target table. 4 records created. What about user table? You can come and refresh here. User table. What happened?
Foreign one.
Foreign record insert is happened. Okay, foreign record insert is happened. So we can note down the definition. What is foreign record insert? In interviews, they will ask. In interviews, They are going to ask what is foreign record insert. FOREDN, foreign record insert. FOREDN, foreign record insert. So we can see the docs definition mostly. If not found, so I will type here. Wait. Nowadays we are not getting docs links properly. I don't know why. Yeah, it's okay. I will note down the definition. Foreign record insert, okay, occurs when importing a data you can note down like this. Foreign record insert occurs when import makes a change to a table that is not target table. That is not the target table. Okay. This is the definition for foreign record insert. You can say foreign record insert occurs when import makes a change to a table that is not the target table for that import. So in our example, target table is parent nourish IT, but record is created in the user table. Okay. So this situation we are calling as foreign record insert. Next. Okay. I'm just removing these two records, Mamata and Aziz records from the user table. I don't want. I'm just deleting it. Delete. So how to stop foreign record insert? Now you can see. Now there is no Mamata record and Aziz record in the user table. Okay. So I'm just closing this, even closing this. I'm going to data source one. You can open the transfer map. In the transfer maps, we have one field. In the field mappings, we have one field called choice action. You can bring that choice action. I'm going to the personalized list. Choice action. Yes, here it is there. You can keep this choice action in the list, field mappings related list. Yes. So we can note down about the choice action first of all, okay? Choice action. Choice action only used for reference, and only choice action only used for reference and choice fields, okay? Choice fields. Choice action only used for reference and choice fields. So basically in this choice action, this about what is choice action, like they have asked in interviews, how to stop foreign record insert. Okay, they have asked me in the interviews. Okay, you have to say these options. Okay, like choice action options are choice action options. What are those? First one, by default, it should be a create, CREAT, create. And second one, ignore. And third one, reject. Okay. So these are the different choice actions we have. So what do you mean by create? What do you mean by reject, ignore? Okay, we can note down those definitions. Create. If we are getting new data, we are getting new data, which is not present in, is not present in uh, reference or choice field. It will create a new record. New record. Okay, it will create a new record. Okay, so you can see. If we are getting new data which is not present in our reference or choice field, it will create a new record. That's what foreign record is inserted. So by default, you can see for manager, for every field mapping, by default it is a create. Okay, that's what foreign record insert is happen. Ignore. Okay. If we are getting new data which is, oh, we can copy. Okay, field. It will ignore the field. Will ignore the field. Okay, it will ignore the field. Otherwise, it will ignore. It will ignore the data. Whatever the data we are getting, it will ignore. Okay. Next, reject. If we kept reject, what happens? If we are getting new data which is not present in our reference or choice field, it will reject entire record. Will reject entire record. Okay, this will happen. So these are the different choice actions, and we'll see one or two examples on this. Now what I'm doing for the manager, so I'm just keeping ignore. Now I'm just keeping ignore. Okay. And maybe for gender field, what I will do is maybe for Anji's gender, I'm keeping other. Okay. For Anji's gender value, I'm keeping other. Like, do we have other choice option in the gender field? Tell me. Do we have other choice option in the gender field?
No.
No.
No. Yes. And you can see in the choice action, what I kept for the gender, I'm keeping rejected. So both I'm showing in one example only. You can say rejected. For gender field, I kept rejected. For manager field, I kept ignored. Okay. You can see what happens in terms of manager, what happens in terms of gender, what happens. So basically for the gender field, we kept reject. We are getting new data called other that is not available in the choice list. It will reject the entire record. That means that Anji record will not, it will not accept inserting a Anji record. Okay. Because we kept reject. For manager field, we are sending Mamata and Aziz. Okay. So that data is not available in our reference table. That is user table. What it will do, it will keep empty. That field, it will keep empty. Okay. I'm going to the user table again. Wait. So maybe Abel tutor also I will take. Okay. For one record, Abel tutor. I'm just copying Abel tutor. Anusha, for Anusha's manager, I'm changing. Is Abel tutor. Okay. Anusha's manager is Abel tutor. You can see we are getting Mamata as is Abel tutor. Okay. I'm just saving this Excel sheet. Now you can come to the data source. Parent narration table. For your reference, I'm deleting the data. For your understanding, delete. I'm just reminding you there is no Mamata or Aziz records here. Okay. Parent narration empty data. Yes, we have data source. Even we don't, yeah, in the transform map, you can see for manager, we kept ignore, for gender, we kept reject. Okay. I'm going to modify this attachment. So remove, this is your old attachment. So before attaching again, I'm saving it. Choose file, can attach our new Excel file. Okay. Close. Load all records. In the transform, I'm just transforming. Okay. We already done choice action, right? Transform. You can see what happened. Transform history. What happened? 3 records are inserted, 1 is skipped. You can come to the parent array table. What happened? You can see. What happened in the manager field? Tell me.
Empty.
Empty. Because Mamata manager record is not there in the user table. Aziz manager record is not there in the user table. So choice action we kept ignore. If the data is not present, it will make that field empty or it will keep previous value only. Okay. For Anji record, what happened? Choice action we kept reject. Okay, but for the Anji user record gender, we are getting other choice value, but is not present in the choice list. So if we kept choice action reject, that means it will reject the entire record. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
If you put one field as reject, it will take a whole record in that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Here any queries? Tell me. Yes, any queries here up to here? No? Aziz, Victoria, Ramchandra, Sureka,
Good.
Lata, Jaya. No? Oh, I'm just taking the attendance. So I'm just stopping the class here. Okay. So in tomorrow session, so till today, yesterday and today, so we have seen multiple examples on the Excel sheet. We have seen multiple examples on the Excel sheet. In tomorrow class, we are going to see examples on 1 or 2 examples on CSV file, 1 or 2 examples on the XML, CSV and XML. In tomorrow class, we are going to see CSV file and XML file examples we'll see in tomorrow class. If we have time, so I will also explain you the LDAP integration. Okay, these are the concepts we are going to discuss in tomorrow class. For today, if you have any queries, please let me know. Any queries? Yeah, tell me if it's possible, you can send me your instance ID. I will open your instance in my laptop. Tell me, are you going to provide your instance details to me? And next one. So yesterday, Mamata having some issue, right?
Angie, sorry, I'm driving.
Okay, okay. Yeah, no issues. Okay. Maybe we'll see in tomorrow session that one. So
Okay.
actually, tell me what you did wrong is. So I'm just going to the tables concept. Okay. So for that student marks, okay, for that student marks, you have sent some images, right? As per that images, what I observe. So in the table form, you have created fields, okay? Within this form, for example, I'm opening any one record. So here you have created student marks, SSC, Inter, SSC marks like that. Okay, that is the wrong thing, okay? And after that, for in few images I have seen, so you have created those fields in different table, that is student marks only. That is correct. Team, so what I have to say here, while creating columns in a table, make sure that you are creating columns in the correct table. So you are able to see table here. Okay. If you want to create columns in the student marks, yes, you can check that student marks will be there in URL or not. Okay. Don't create columns in the wrong tables. Okay. Yes. And next one, yesterday we are discussing about Mamata's issue, right, related to choice actions. So what happened is Mamata created all the choice actions, okay, all the choice fields. Sorry, all the choice values in the operating system and version field. She forgot to mention all choice values in the value field. So if we are creating a choice, we have 1 minute. I will open any one choice field. You are able to understand. For example, I'm going to parent Naresh IT only. Naresh IT. Create new. Yeah, maybe I'm going to title field configuration dictionary. So she has, for example, here you can see she has created all the choice values here. Okay, whatever the choice values we have, she is created. But what happened is she forgot to mention in the value field. She only created labels. She has not created values. Okay, that's what she is not able to see the all choice values in that operating system field or version field. So what we made, so we have added label and value, both the field values. Okay, so we have updated value field also from empty to some value. Then all choice values are appearing. Okay, so this
But
is
it
the
will
issue.
take automatically, na?
No. So like if we are doing by using the configure choices, okay, it will automatically take. If we are coming to dictionary configuration dictionary and entering the values, it will not take automatically. Okay. If we are doing configure choices, it will take automatically. If you are coming to the dictionary form and you are entering the choice values manually, it won't take value field automatically. Okay. You have to enter value field value also. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So any queries, please let me know. If you have
What are
any
the
queries.
business rules?
Sorry, Santi.
What are the business rules which is active in the forms which I saw in the
Yeah. So
education?
basically, business rules are used for some database operations. Okay. So we'll discuss business rules within the development classes. Maybe next 15 to 20 days we are going to discuss. Okay. It involves some scripting as well. Okay, Shanti.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. Any queries, let me know. Any queries? If not, we are good to close the class. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow with import sets concept again with CSV file and CSV file and XML file. And if we have time, we'll also see the LDAP integration. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.